was working at McDonald's. During college, I worked so many jobs. I had 7 jobs in 1 year. I worked at a summer camp. I've worked in a manufacturing plant. You name it, I've worked it. That does not make me a small business attorney. That just makes me somebody who's worked all over this world and is somebody who's just done a lot of different things. What makes me the small business attorney is the fact that I've had a business since I was 21. I've had 5 different businesses now, with the last one being an attorney. I've been involved in multi-location hair salons. I've helped have a swimming pool business. I've owned arcade games. I'm involved in a casino operation. I'm an investor in other businesses. This is what makes me the small business attorney, because I've been the little guy. I know what it's like to deal with that faceless corporate behemoth trying to get something done. I know what it's like to be on the hook personally for multi-million-dollar leases and to be struggling, not necessarily knowing where that dollar comes from, but knowing that I got obligations to dozens of family that are dependent upon me making sure the businesses run successfully to pay the bills so that they can feed their families, so I can pay the rent, so I can pay the bills, and at the end of the day, at some point, hopefully down the line, I can feed my family as well. It's not easy. There is no manual on how to run a small business. If there was, I would have found it by now, and I would have read it, and I would have saved myself a lot of heartache, and I would have saved myself some money. So what I'm trying to do as a small business attorney is to be that person who helps you cut through the red tape, helps you know what to look for when you're dealing with landlords, when you're dealing with employees, when you're being sued for small amounts, large amounts. It's happened to me. I've dealt with it. I've been facing down that barrel, and I've come out the other end, and you know what? I'm doing okay. And I'm here to help you do that, because I know what it's like to go to bed at night not knowing where that next nickel's coming from. I know what it's like not to have anybody to talk to you about what's going on with your business, because you can't talk to your employees about it. It can be tough talking to your spouse about it all the time. And there really is no bar for business owners. So I'm telling you, I'm that guy that if you need some advice, that you need to talk to, you know what? Just give me a call, maybe even blow off a little steam. And I'm not going to charge anything for it to start, because you know why? When the stuff hits the fan and you need that help, I'm going to be there for you. And that's when we'll worry about the money at that point. So if you have any questions about small business and the attorney and what I can do for you and help you grow your business and be profitable and protect your assets and your profits and everything you worked so hard for, give me a call, 559-274-2868. I'll be more than happy to sit down and talk with you. Thank you.